The Bordelais Correctional Facility is reporting an unparalleled seizure of inmate contraband. The items confiscated during a search of the remand block on Thursday included mobile telephones, cell-made weapons, and cannabis. Correctional officers seized 45 phones, 43 batteries, 22 chargers, 31 weapons, 60 portions of cannabis, 6 scissors, 1 hacksaw, an SD card, an MP3 player, and 2 lighters, among other items.
On November 10, 2022, a targeted search was conducted at the Charlie unit by the Special Operations Response Team, during which 282 pieces of contraband were confiscated from the unit.
Bordelais officials say the mobile telephones seized represented a security risk as they could, among other things, provide inmates with the means to interfere with witnesses.
2 mobile Wi-Fi devices. Of note, this reveals that this is the highest number of cell phones confiscated on the unit at any given search operations that we have conducted at the facility.
The raid comes days after the Department of Home Affairs announced that Vern Gard, a former director of corrections, had been reappointed to the post. News 4 spoke to Gard the day before, where he disclosed a 27-point correctional restoration plan to address issues at the BCF. This includes the removal of contraband from the penal complex.
I am aware that the institution had some recent challenges, and I have constructed a 27-point plan for correctional restoration, and we intend to apply that plan along with all our staff. I think one of the major parts of the plan is to help our young staff come up into management and supervision in a structured succession plan. And this in itself would help us to regulate the various responsibilities of every individual at this institution. Generally, we already understand that national security is the goal of the institution, and that is very well covered by the 27-point plan.
According to prison officials, the search of the remand block lasted about 2.5 hours and the prisoners were compliant. There are currently 337 inmates housed in the block, including 17 females. Officers found the contraband in possession of some inmates, while other items had been concealed in the cells. Joachim Duplessis, HTS News Force.